Are you facing a frustrating issue with Firebase in your Swift app? If you've encountered the error message about the provided bucket not matching the storage bucket, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to dive into this problem and find a solution together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your app crashes unexpectedly. It can feel like all your hard work is going down the drain. This is a common issue many developers face, and I'm here to help you through it. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user shared their code, which includes a reference to a Firebase storage bucket. They received an error stating that the provided bucket does not match the storage bucket of the current instance. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the Firebase storage bucket is not correctly configured in your Firebase project settings. We'll break down the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue, the user should first check the Firebase project settings. They need to ensure that the storage bucket is correctly configured in the Firebase console. Next, the user should ensure that the correct Firebase configuration is being used in their Swift application. This includes checking the Google Service info.plist file. After confirming the configuration, the user should initialize Firebase in their app. This is crucial for setting up the storage reference correctly. Finally, the user can create the storage reference again. This time, they should use the reference method without specifying the URL, which will use the configured bucket. Fun fact: did you know that Firebase was originally developed by a startup that aimed to simplify real-time data synchronization? Now it's a go-to solution for many developers around the world. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you are missing the storage method. They recommend updating your code to include .storage for proper reference. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by another user involves changing the way you reference the storage. Instead of using first storage with parentheses, they suggest using firststorage.storage. This small change can resolve the issue of the provided bucket not matching the storage bucket. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a different method to reference your storage. They recommend calling the storage reference directly from the link with the correct URL. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your Firebase configuration settings whenever you encounter issues. A small oversight can lead to big headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the bucket mismatch error in your Swift app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep coding.